Imagine waking up one day to find everyone around you pronounces words just a little differently. Over centuries, these tiny shifts add up, transforming entire languages. For example, the English word father and the German Vater sound similar because they share roots, but a major sound shift, known as the High German consonant shift, changed many sounds in German. Such shifts ripple through vocabulary, creating new accents, dialects, and even separate languages, all from subtle changes in the way we speak.